Akiaria king'ang'a kia andu giikaro-ini kia Bomas, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta uria uratangathirwo ari muhotani thutha wa kuiyukia makiria ma kura milioni 8.2 niaroririe niehaririirie kurutithania wira na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya NASA Raila Odinga gutwarithia bururi na mbere. Uhuru niarongereire ati githurano gitirari gia gutuma uthu idi karari kamweke ga gwitikiria akenya mathure atongoria ao.
And I extend a hand of friendship, I extend a hand of cooperation, I extend a hand of partnership, knowing fully well that this country needs all of us pulling together in order for us to succeed. And Kenyans want us to succeed. So mine, like I said to my worthy competitor, especially the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, I reach out to you, I reach out to all your supporters, I reach out to all who are elected on now the opposition benches. We shall work together, we shall partner together, we shall grow together, we shall develop this country together, and we are there ready to engage, to dialogue, to discourse together so that we can build this nation of ours together.
Oho mutongoria wa bururi ni aracokeirie akenya ngatho ni uhotani wake na kuria andu othe maikaranie na thayu hatari muthutukanio.
Let us always remember that we are brothers and sisters. Your neighbor is still your neighbor. Let us be peaceful. Let us reach out to one another. Let us share together. There is no need for violence. We politicians, again, also come and go. But your neighbor is your neighbor, regardless of their ethnicity, their religion, their color. Mine and my call to all Kenyans, wherever you may be, watching us on TV this evening, listening to us on the radio, please reach out to your neighbor, shake their hand, say this election is over. Regardless of whom you voted for, you are still my neighbor. You are still my brother. You are still my sister.
Niaroririe aria marahotirwo iturwa itiganite metikire kurutithania wira na ahotani gukuria bururi.
Congratulations to those who have won, and to those who have lost, we say we live to fight another day.
Mutongoria wa bururi ndanariganirwo ni gucokeria ngatho kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ni gutabania githurano kiria aroigire kirari na waraganu.
I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the Electoral Commission for a job well done. I think they have done the best that they can do. To the commissioners, to the staff, thank you very, very, very much. It's been a long wait, the last couple of days, but we were determined that we would be patient and wait for the final result, as indeed has now been declared. Asante sana, IEBC, for a wonderful job. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni aroigire utongoria wake ukurutithania wira na andu othe hatari na muthutukanio tondu Kenya ni nene gukira mundu kiumbe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.